Hey, travel and tourism pros. Do you ever stop to think what your business would look like if people could find you more easily when searching online? Think about this. What if your website ranked higher in a Google search? Imagine the new prospective clients that would find and connect with you. Everyone knows it's tough to get ranked on the first page, so here's a couple of tips to get your rank to rise. The easiest place to start is with your own blog. Don't have a blog yet? Well, now's the time to get started, as this is the simplest way to get found more easily, help your prospective clients get to know you. And the reason I mention that is that we all know that people buy from people they know and like. Plus, a blog is a great way to inspire your readers to travel. Here's the secret to earning better SEO through your blog. The key is to create links within each blog post so that people can click to see other content on your website. Think of it this way: why not give them a reason to stay on your site longer and get to know you better by simply providing a hyperlink to other content of yours? Easy peasy. Here's how to do this. Start by creating links within your blog content that direct readers back to an earlier blog post. This will help readers stay on your site longer, a biggie in SEO rank. Next, consider where else you can direct readers from within your blog. Maybe you want to direct them to a Destinations tab or your Contact Us tab. By creating these hyperlinks that lead to other spots on your website, it'll encourage readers to poke around and even stumble on content of yours that rocks their travel dreams. Last, and now this is a biggie, when I first learned this, it was a game changer for me. Here it is. Create a paragraph at the bottom of your blog and call it Related Articles. Then list several other blog posts that showcase related ideas, topics, or themes. Don't forget to hyperlink to the exact related blog. This is going to help people get to know you better. All of these tips will encourage your blog readers to stay on your site longer, and the best part, it'll help your SEO ranking. The bottom line is that we want to help people build a relationship with you so they feel great about doing business with you. Writing a blog that does that and helps your SEO ranking to rise more quickly is the goal. So go ahead, go back through your old blog posts and update them today. Your future self and your clients will thank you.